Welcome to Bariatric Business Accelerator, the podcast created for busy weight loss practitioners and their teams who want to systematize, simplify, and accelerate the growth of their new or established weight loss practice. I'm your host, Carol Clark, and today I want to simplify marketing a little bit. There are two things that when you have these two things, it makes marketing so much easier for you, your team, your practice. And the two things are if you have established trust and if you have established authority with those that you want to serve. Sounds simple, I know, and I know it's not that easy, but the way that you're going to do this is to establish authority by you have to show up on social media. You have to show up in many different ways. They can be paid or they can be organic ways, but you've got to show up and demonstrate the authority that you have over the topic that is at hand, and that's weight loss. So it could be the top weight loss surgeries out there. It could be something related to injectable medications. Anything that your patients are asking about, you've got to have a definitive answer that they are always seeing and recognizing and being drawn to because they know that you have the expertise to offer. So that's one side of it, is being out there and showing the authority. You can do this through very easy, simple videos. You can do it through written posts. You can do it through blogs. You can do it through a podcast, through a book that you write, through a Shook, which is a short book, like an ebook, through a free resource that you can give out. There's so many ways for you to establish authority in the field in your particular area. So having authority really does make it an easier decision for people to work with you. It's something that they want to see. Also, having your patients share your information, seeing some success stories, that also reflects on your authority in this particular market. The other thing is building trust, and building trust with your patients is really you being your authentic self. So when you have trust established with people, it attracts people to you because it's your authentic self. It also will help them understand that they can trust the authority that you have that we just talked about, but also that you are really there to help them get the transformation that they desire most in terms of weight loss. This comes from you and your team. Every communication that you have with your patients, every interaction from before they're a patient all the way while you're nurturing and once they become a patient, and then also, of course, for their lifetime. So you have a long-term value with that patient. So when you are able to establish authority by answering the common questions that they have, by sharing your views about some of the common controversies or myths out there about weight loss, whether it's weight loss surgery, whether it's medical weight loss, whether it's something fitness related, food related, of course, recipe related, product related. When you're able to share that and build that authority, it attracts people into your practice because they want to have services from the person who has authority in the field. And then, like I say, that trust is just the best way to nurture people along, to help them know that you really are there for them, that you care about their outcome, that you are there to help them get the transformation that they desire most. And your team has to be on board with that as well. And that trust has to be established so that what happens and why it makes it so easy is because people find you easier when they're doing searches on the internet, which is one of the most common ways that they find people. Practitioners are more likely to refer to you because of your authority in the field. And then as you help develop this trust, by the time they come in, they almost know exactly what services they want to utilize from you. They already feel as if they kind of know you, and they trust what it is that you're sharing and what you're seeing. That trust is also built through a lot of positive reviews and by transformational posts with people's before and after, people sharing their experience with your practice. But if you can establish authority and you can establish trust in the market, marketing just becomes really a lot more fun and it becomes a lot more meaningful, and it actually produces a much greater return for you and for your practice. So I preach these things a lot, so to speak, if that's a word for that, but I also work with people to figure that out. And for you, I just really know that if that was happening for you, it just makes it that much easier to attract the ideal patients you want to work with. So If you want some more free resources, weightlosspracticebuilder.com/free is where you can access those. And if you ever just want to have a conversation or an exploratory sort of like opportunity audit is what I call it, then reach out to me as well. You can get onto my calendar through my website, weightlosspracticebuilder.com. In the meantime, I hope this served you well, and I look forward to getting to know you better. If you're already one of my clients, I can't wait till the next time we have our next meeting and we are brainstorming more ways to grow your practice and establish trust and authority and bring to life the vision that you have. So in the meantime, take care. I hope you have an awesome day. Thanks.